Hi everyone, I am a web developer in cloud analogy. This video is going to about university templates. So let's start the video. One of our client wanted from me to design CSS for his new university templates. He has 70 plus templates of different universities. All of his new templates is looking like this page. The requirement of the client is to create CSS for new templates so that the new template will look similar to the old university pages. He provided me the HTML of the templates and told do not edit or update the HTML of the template. Here is the HTML of the template provided by the client. Here is the CSS of the template written by me. This is the old university page and this is the new university page. He also wanted to make all the pages tablet and mobile responsive. Here is the mobile view of the page and here is the tablet view. So this page is mobile ready. To design these pages, I have used CSS. That's all about this project. I hope you like the video. Thanks.